Hey and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing you how to add, style and manage Testimonials widget with the help of free Elementor page builder. To create a similar layout, you'll also need Jet Elements add-on for Elementor that you can purchase on TemplateMonster.com or get along with Imperion WordPress theme that I'm using for this tutorial. Don't forget to check the description box to find the links to these products. Now let me show you how you can create testimonials for your website yourself. Let's go and create a new section. And here in the search panel, just type in testimonials. And you're gonna find this widget that looks like that, or you can also scroll all the way down and in the Jet Elements tab you can find the same widget. Let's drag it onto a new section, and as you see it already has the design, and if you want to go with this design you can just use it. But I'm gonna customize it a little and show you the possibilities of this widget that goes with Jet Elements plugin. Here you see the settings of the behavior of this module. So you can tweak how many slides are gonna be shown. Whether you want the slider to pause when you hover over it, whether you want to switch the autoplay on, the autoplay speed, and etc. etc. You have a whole lot of the settings that help you tweak the behavior of this module. Then you go to items, where you can add and delete the testimonials. I'll just remove those three, and what I want to do is to add an image. So you see that you can also add the icon, but I'm gonna go with no icon. You can add a title, comment, name, position, date. So here are the fields that you can fill in or leave empty if you wish. So let this be, let's go with just 2 items, and then go to the style tab where you have a whole lot of settings that help you style and customize the look of your testimonials module. I've got a background here, just a nice looking gradient background, and I'm gonna do the same with this section like that, but it doesn't take all the width because my section was not full width, and now it looks fine. So what else do we need to do? Now here you have the settings for the image, so you can change the size of the image, the border, and make it round or leave it as a square image, but I'm gonna go with the very round image. You can also set a box shadow, arrows, so you can put the arrows over there on the left side and on the right side. You can also have dots over here which are clickable and which help you to switch between the items in your testimonials module. And you can also tweak the look of these dots on 3 states: on normal, hover and active. Then there goes the icon, and we have all the usual settings that the icons usually have in Elementor page builder, but we don't really have any icon. So the title, here go the typography settings, but we didn't use a title as well. The comment, so as you see you can also change the color of the comment, text, Let's change the background to white. You can increase the padding, what I would do, and the margin, so there is a little more space between the elements. And let's actually do the same with the image. Okay, now there is name. So as you see, you can edit the look and style of every single field that you add some text to. And here you go. Now you see how really fast and easy this is with the help of Jet Elements plugin for Elementor. Don't forget to go to the description box down below and check the links that lead to Jet Elements plugin and Imperion WordPress theme. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.